Ma'am Trinidad, no? Na ang iyang son-in-law ni adto og doktor kay na stroke. Ang kaninga doktor dili siya motuo nga dali kay naayo ang pasyente. Because again, medical doctors, again as I mentioned earlier, they always have something nga science-based, right? But here comes Portier in just pila ka 1 week kung pila to ka pila ka bulan, ibalik yung pasyente, ang doktor na mismo niya, naunsa ni siya nga ang hiwi nga dagay na diretso og straight. So, something is happening, right? The body is doing something because it was triggered by this product. So, once he knew about the effect of that product, no, he became interested. And suddenly, karon, no, from a medical doctor, still no practicing medicine, but now advocating that there's another way for you to regain your health or take charge of your health by this product. So without further ado, to close this night's event, let us all welcome our Team Elite Pavo, Dr. King Munoz.
Bali yung pasensya na gud kaya sa akong isuot. Actually, I was not, but anyway, na may clearance sa ito mga Supreme. So, okay rin ay istorya bisa nga ni. Gituyo yun ako, nga dili ko mag-uniform kay para dili ko kay istorya. Kaya kung target lang kang kaon, dili tayo anyway, nakapay ko ituyo. But anyway, I'm about to give a closing. But then, before anything else, let me say thank you for this opportunity. Dili ni siya medical convention, ha? Nga wherein most of the speakers are registered nurses. Si Ma'am Marge, si Sir Lloyd, din ako, doktor, manong naman ko diri? I was really surprised. In fact, our moderator is also a registered nurse. So noon, sana ni karon. Ako naging pinakalas ani kaya ako na may pa-istorya, ako naman pa siguro. Napilang Dr. Dre, wala na. But anyway, you are here. Mogin mo kanunay. You are here not by chance. You are here because you wanted something out of your life na mahappy ka. Tama? Di ba? Okay. Si Sir Lloyd to no? Okay. Ingon niya ganina. 3 years siya na nag-relax. Ako, manghud lang ko ni mo gamay. 2 years na po ko nag-relax. If it was not for the son-in-law of one of our testimony sharers, dili siguro kung balik sa Riway. Because agingon pa ni Sir Nico ganina, medical professional, especially doctors like me, we are very, very hesitant. Dilisod kay ni pasabton. Lisod kay ni pasabton. Nga naman. Klarohon ako niya. What you are taking, stem cell, it is not the stem cell that you're taking that will do the action. It will trigger the reaction because your body will be doing the action.
Right.
Klaro?
Yes.
Klaro yun, ha? Mga nurse, malilitan lang sila dali. Ano man? Because our body is designed to auto-heal. Ang ato ang lawas, nanay kapasidad na muayo siya kaugalingon. But, nanay caveat. Nanay siya caveat. It has its own limitation. Sama sa giingon ni Sir Lloyd ganina, na ayo na unta, pero kining inom pa man, o sa to? Coke. Dili tong Coke na makabangat. Coke, zero, whatever, nawala yung balik na po. Because practically, ang atong body, kinahanglan na siya una. Because stem cells are pluripotent cells. Meaning, it has a lot of capabilities nga mag-form na siya. Mauna, it has unlimited treatment possibilities or boundaries. Because na sa atong lawas. Right? Lisod pasabton ang doktora na. To tell you frankly, kapila na ako nag-share, so wala pa nagagamot. When my father was still alive, he was diagnosed with prostate cancer, stage 4. Ako pa ang nakapag-diagnose ato. Pag-admit niya sa hospital, the diagnosis was, itungod gigikalibangan siya. Ikalibangan siya. Pero pag picture na mo kami sa family, kita na ko sa video, iniwan lagi yan ng papa. So, naturalmente ako may eldest, ingo na ipa-work up na si papa rin. Ingo na ako manghod. I have 2 other siblings ka doktor po. So in the family of 6 siblings, tulong ka po physician. So ako may eldest, ingo na, i-work up na si papa, ingo na ako manghod, magpayagin nga niyan, pakuhay ang PSA, which is a tumor marker for prostate. Pag resulta, taas. 23 something, 24. Ingo nga, most probably cancer gina. Ingon ako isa ka manghod nga lalaki, kaya ato sa work up si prostatitis. Very medical na kaya kitang story ha. I-work up na mo, giayon mo sa gitreat. 1 month, gi-repeat, taas gyapon. Pa-bone scan. Dito niyo makita sa bone scan, murag connect the dots. Grabe na mga itong-itong. But then, my father that time, di siya katuo na siya. Ako, my fear was already about pain. Kakanto palang daan, nakita ni mo, mag-pain na yun akong father. Pero you know what? Wala siya na pain. It was because of 4th-year placenta. I was not a believer before, ma'am. Kanto ni ato dito imong son-in-law. Ingon akong nurse, Kuya Dok, ingani na ba diri si Sir Mark? Dogi, nasyak tanan. Kaya ano man, galakaw man, hemiplegic man to. Ang right side, dili kalihok. Right side ba to? O dili kalihok ang right side. Halos ikalihok. Pagkato dito wala pa 2 months, galakaw na normal. Kinsa mi dili mo tuwa na? Do you believe in miracle?
Yes.
No, Father, it's called savor. Joke. But anyway, going back again. Si Ma'am Marge nag-mention about sa katong product iagi target ang diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease, di ba? Kung saan epektuhan niya, daghan kayo. Diabetic retinopathy, diabetic cardiopathy, diabetic gastropathy, o sa pa, neuropathy, o uban pang pati-pati. But in medicine, when you speak of pati, it's already patay. So muna itong likayan. Right? Muna itong likayan. Kaya nga naman, chronic inflammation. Ako, I very, very hesitant yung pagsugod pa lang. But then, pag-try po na ako, Sir, parihata, wala lang po ka-colchicine. Wala po ka-colchicine. Actually, akong ginatake, it's either etocoxib or celecoxib. Fan kay ko, Arcoxia 120.
Da.
Para sa pain. Kaya mo sa hay, sakit kayo mo na. But then, pag-take na nako, gitry din ako na, ako, i-execute na akong galingon. Nag-treat ko Arcoxia for only 2 days. The rest of the days, galod ko sa 4th-year placenta. And wala, you really feel na dahil after mga several days.
Wow.
Diba? Di ba guna sa miracle? Dili ba guna sa gusto ninyo mahitabo? We may not be finding cure, but for so long as your average daily life, ang feeling nimo nga okay ka, mao na siya ang atong katubagan.
Yes.
I'm speaking about the product pa lang. I'm speaking about the product pa lang. Isa po to, si ma'am, nag-MI yung husband. What is MI? Myocardial infarction. Kung saan man na sa Bisaya, or sa medical na term,
Nang hugot nga dugan.
heart attack.
Heart attack.
Muna siya. Isa po ito isa, si ma'am, si Sir Lloyd dito yun. Diso po si Sir Lloyd, kaya nga no, artista man daw kuno siya, kung artista, duhan na may ani ako, siya actor, pero ko sa una. Sir, duhan na taan ni Sir. Lisod po mag-artista, yun, sir, tinuod, yun niya, lisod. Tinuod yun na siya, lisod yung mag-artista. Dagan mo papirma. Kasi daw paper, kasi daw, yala. Hindi dito, nagtanong mo magdahin ni Sir. Okay. Makita na to, yung sir, na sa ATM. Nagtrabaho sa ATM, di ba sir? Sa ATM. Ha? Job order. Maka-receive sa siyang sweldo after 3 months. Mo ng ATM. Oh, after 3 months or after 10 months pa mo ba? Kung saan pag-survive?
Lagi.
It was the situation. It was that certain situation that pushed Sir Lloyd to think it over. Do I go into employment?
No.
It's good. But again, siya na pinagingon siya ng galingon. What is my future if I get employed? 10 years, 15 years. Simple ra kayo. Sakto tayo mag-ingon, sir. Just look at the person or the employed person ahead of you for 10 or 15 years, and that's your
Future.
future. Kaya ba nimo? No. Kung sa sunod pag-ingon ni sir. So pag-ingon mo, sir? Employment, whatever pa. So karon, gi-open niya yung mind. Gi-open niya yung mind. Why? Because our mindset, katong last ko na-istorya diri, our mind could be our prison or our power. You choose. Gusto ninyo nga ma-prison mo sa inyong mind? Ay, di ko anak, kay di ko kabalo ng istorya. Or, nanong dili man ko makaya na, nakakaya mong galing tong halos dili kabalo mo in English. Ako nga, 1.0 man akong grado sa English ang muhang kakali sa una. Nanong dili man kaya? What's the limitation? It starts from within. The limitation starts with you. Do you want it to be limited or not?
No.
Huh?
No.
No. We are here to work. We are here to move forward. We are here to push ourselves. Remember this one. Mga kuwan, sir, mga kauban, mga ate, uban, mga kuya dali. Remember this one. If you work hard for your job, you will earn a living.
Right.
Maningkamot kag ayo sa imong trabaho. What you will earn is just a living. Makakaon ka. Makapeskwela ka. But remember this one. Sorry lang sa mga job, ha? Ako na gibuhatan na nako ni. Employment is just justifying the injustice in the society.
Yes.
Sakto?
Yes.
Why? Kung ako doktor, na ko'y kauban nga doktor diri, pareha ni posisyon. Ako grabe ko mo trabaho. Kani akong kauban diri, nagpaabot lang sa chief of hospital. Nagpasipsip lang. Anong sweldo pareha, dili?
Pareha.
May hustisya na, wala.
Wala.
That's it. But if you work hard for yourself, you really push yourselves to the limit, you will earn a fortune. You choose. Would you like to earn a living? Or you wanted to earn a fortune? And Riway, can Riway do that to you? Yes. Ipakita na na, Sir Lloyd. Ipakita na na ni Kuya Pre, atong TSP1, Lito Akabal. Ipakita na na nilang Sir Ted. Kaya, Dre. The secret is just to invite. Tama? Invite and invite and invite. Who knows? So, ito pa rin ni Kuya Brilito, who knows what's inside the cabinet? Wag kayo nakabalog yun. Diba? Okay, if we are keeping our our emotions to ourselves, we cannot grow.
Right.
We cannot grow. This is a very big opportunity if you wanted growth. Do you wanted growth?
Yes.
Tanawan yung tapat. Gusto ba kang tubo? Gusto ba kang mulambo?
Yes.
Gusto ba mo mulambo?
Yes.
And the one who invited you will be your mentor.
Wow.
I will be your mentor. Kung na ako'y mga invites, kung na ako'y mga, I will be your mentor. I will help you. Because yun palagi ni Sir Lloyd, this is a very doable business platform. In fact, ingon sila, 99% is already given. Only 1%. Ikaw na lang. Asa ka kakitaan na? Dili ba na nato mahimo? Diba? Kinahanglan pabagyod ang laing tao and mo work hard para sa to, ha? Remember this one, mga sir, mga leaders. Opportunities do not last forever.
Right.
Opportunities do not last forever. So please be opportunistic like Sir Lloyd. Mahimot ang oportunista kay nga naman daghan kayo ng oportunista maunghanon yata.
Oh, good.
Ano na? They say speed is the key. Tama?
Yes.
But I would add, while speed is the key, direction is very important. Kaya kung mag-speed is the key lang ka, and you will not see your direction, basin o bangga ka. Speed is the key, but direction is very important. Do you want to ride with us on the same direction?
Yes.
Do you want to ride with us nga apusga nato pagpadagan nato na safety?
Yes.
Nakita na ko karon i-post ni Mr. Limbonong si boss ato sa Facebook. Tapos ito yung i-drive niya. Mura, ano to? O Maserati ba ito? Bla 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 na. Kusog yung dagan. Kung sige din niya. Just follow. Remember the two words. Just follow. Because, sige palagi, your success here in Riway is already predetermined.
Yes.
Dili ni siya success na kanang nagdamgo ka, mahimo ba gunin. No. It's already predetermined. Ang kung saan dokumento makita ninyo anak, tanawa yung 2307.
Yes.
Nga i-email sa inyo nga. Pag nakita ninyo, naging ka, ginay kong 2307 ngayon nga niyo, 300,000 mo, 400,000 mo. Dili mo masuya anak. Magsweldo. Mag-income ka 300,000 ang bulan for 12 months. Bila naman na siya? O 3.6 million, one of tax, blah blah blah, everything. Bisag mo net lang ka o mga
2M.
2.5 million. Okay na na?
Okay kayo.
Pero okay ha? Okay kayo. So this is the, muna yung last no? This is not the time for you to decide. There is no more time for us to decide here. Why? Nga naman.
Ano?
Okay nga pa decide. Pagkutanaw ko ninyo.
Ano?
Nga naman. Kaya mo akong balikan. Si Sir Lloyd na siya damgo. Na siya mga aspirations. Na siya mga dreams. Kamutan na po yung mga damgo. Ako na ko'y damgo. Sila na yung damgo. Pangutana karon. Asa naman mo na stage sa inyong damgo? You never dream of being just, sorry for the word, just. You never dream for being a regular worker, tama? What you dream is, I wanted to go abroad, I want to travel the world, I wanted to be like this, blah, 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 blah. Pangutana, nahimo na ba na siya? Wala pa. The time now is for you, for us to act. Because, sige nga pa na kayo, Aprilito kanina, lingkod ko dito, success favors those who act.
act.
Wala po'y mahitabo kung dili ta muhatag og saktong action nato. Pikpikan yung tapat, you act now.
Act now.
Okay. Ikaw po, that's the only way for us to succeed here. Dili ta mo succeed diri. Because in this business, multi-level marketing, for you to earn, this is not a reward. You will not be given spoon-feeded ng money mong income. No. You need to act. You need to work it out.
Tama.
Is it malisod ba? Yes. But worth it. Don't be afraid to fail again. Last na kong istorya. Don't be afraid to fail. Because failure is the sweetest ingredient in success. You can only say that I'm successful if you have experienced failing. Si Sir, kapilang nagkagi-reject sir.
Kadaghan na.
O, kadaghan na. I have so many rejections here than in my medical career. Halos wakil ko yung waring ma-rejection. I-reject ko sa akong pasyente, ihatag ka na. Rejection na, inong ka na akong karoon. Wala. But here I have so many rejections. And my challenge yun karon diri is to invite to have another physician that will understand me fully. Kaya nga naman, I cannot really accept the fact that I will just be accepting what is written in the book, that the disease entity is poorly understood or the disease entity has no treatment. Di yun ang ako makaya as a doctor. Kamu makaya na ninyo? So, unsa may purpose sa doktor kung magresita, hatag lang sige para sa sakit for 70 years. Pain relief lang. But the source of the pain you'd never address. That is why we're going to address. And perhaps stem cell can do that.
Yes.
Because from the very start of our existence, we are made up of cells. We are made up of stem cells. And there are about pila, daghan kayo ng stem cells.
Trillions.
Muna ginaingon, naka-stack ang muna yung stem cells. Pluripotent, pwede na siya mutubo, paingani, paingon dito, paingon dito. Tagaan na siya ang trigger o signal. Pwede nga autologous, by blood, or
Oral.
oral. And if it works for you, how would you feel?
Great.
Great, di ba? So siguro, hingala lang. The opportunity is here. This is a big opportunity for those who wanted growth. Do you want growth?
Yes.
They wanted to travel.
Yes.
They wanted to have a big house.
Yes.
Earn it. This is not a reward. This is a challenge. Dili igihatag sa inyo. You have to work on it. You have to earn it. Because, wala ginaginayingon. Just act.
Just follow.
Just that. Because results will come. And basic mayon ka na, dili na nako makaya mo niyang results. Kung naay kahoy dira, what do you see? Kung tako kay dira, daghang kayong kahoy, what do you see? Do you see the tree?
No.
What you will see really is the forest. Tama? Di like that. Pero ginoo na nako. Kung daghang kayong tao dira, you will not see one people. One person. What you will see is a group of people. That is our potential over there. So ato ng trabaho.
Yes.
Okay? So before I end, come Feb 10, katong wala pa'y ticket, panlukat na mo ticket. Kaya magkatuta sa LTS sa Manila. LTS.
Yes.
Why? Enjoy na siya, panghatag sa tuwa. Panghatag na loob. LTS, muna ito mga speakers. Si Jeda Monte, Luman Sian, Faith Ann, si Claudio, si Sir Conrad Ulatowski, o si Ramon Nondo. They have their own journey in VUA. How they were able to be like that. Mga tuta dito. Ako actually, Sir Lloyd, no? So Taylor Franklin. Yung balik ko, December. February, no? December of last year. I love being a doctor. I love to treat patients good. I love to give medical advices. But I work so hard for myself. I work so hard for my job. Ingani lang gihapon ako nagtag. Maybe this time I work so hard for myself.
Yes.
Because I wanted to earn a fortune.
Yes.
And give back to the people.
Yes.
That me, my team. Yeah. I have people. I have been a doctor since 1999. Pila na ako katuig na doktor. It's 27 years already. Dili lang manata sa akong naon siguro. Dito. You thought I'm not a doctor? Wala lang ko nag-uniform, ma'am. Pero kung paano yung bag, basi mag-stethoscope ko, mutuo na kaga-doktor ginahin ko. Kanay pangalan, Dr. King. Yes. Ingana lang. Just work hard. Work hard for yourself. Because at the end of the day, decisions are made by you, not by them. Right? And at the end of the day, you will know you have progress or not. Tama?
Yes.
We cannot judge a book by its cover.
You cannot judge the book by its cover. Sakto
I
gina.
was surprised when you told us that you are a doctor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. sometimes you need to be surprised or to learn, uy, huwag yun na siya. Pero huwag ka na surprise man ngayon ko na artista ko sa una. Dili, joke. So nga na lang na siya. So maybe, again, thank you so much for coming over. Thank you for listening. It was, grabe at mga speakers ganyan. Nakulbaan ko actually. Kaya katana pa yung tennis pag yun ba? Actually, may original pan was after pag-dinner mo uli nung tako. Si Sir Ted, mag-gay ko. Okay na. Basta na ikiran sa mga speaker, susunod ay problema na. So with that, daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagmina ug mayong nagbigay sa